Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're in Corona, California visiting this beautiful model home. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 and 1/2 bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today we are viewing a 2-story model home by Woodside Homes with optional builder upgrades. It measures approximately 1,356 square feet with an open floor plan. The living and dining area has recessed lighting and views to the yard. This home also has heating and air conditioning with a digital programmable thermostat and a whole house fire sprinkler system as well. The kitchen has sleek countertops, beautiful cabinets, and a walk-in pantry. It also has appliances such as a microwave, stove, oven, and dishwasher. It also has a center island with a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you just want a quick bite to eat. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. This door leads you into the 2-car garage. The powder room features a pedestal sink, window, and toilet. The home also includes green features such as dual-glazed Lowy windows, high-efficiency toilets, low-flow faucets and shower heads, and a tankless water heater. The master bedroom suite has several windows and an attached ensuite master bathroom. The master bathroom has a shower, cabinets, and dual sinks. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. We really appreciate it. There is a private water closet with a window and a walk-in closet ready for you to fill top to bottom. The upstairs laundry room is featured with cabinets, a window, and washer-dryer hookups. The second bedroom has recessed lighting, a closet, and windows. The third bedroom has windows, recessed lighting, with a closet. The guest bathroom includes a cabinet, sink, toilet, and bathtub with shower. The side yard is cozy and perfect for entertaining guests for parties and barbecues. It would be a nice spot to sit, relax, and enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. Could also be a nice spot to grow veggies if you're a gardening enthusiast. Now let's check out the HOA community pool. There's a covered sitting area with a relaxing fireplace, a sparkling pool, picnic tables, and a barbecue. If you're interested in buying a home in Corona, California or surrounding areas, please contact me. I'd be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.